Bismillah, Subhan'Allah, listen. Powerful real talk right here. Let's look at trees and leaves in a manner you may have not perceived or considered before. We know in Islam that not a leaf falls, but Allah knows it. Subhan'Allah. How many trees are there in this world? How many species of trees and plants are there? Still today, we as humans don't know because there are still new species being discovered. What about the trees in other worlds that we don't know? How many trees are there in Jannah and how many in Firdaus? My Lord and Creator is Allah. Our Lord and Creator is Allah. Alhamdulilahi Rabbil Alameen. Allah knows the name of every leaf, how much oxygen it produced, how much photosynthesis it went through. Allah is aware of the feelings of every tree and the feelings of every leaf, and He knows what dhikr each tree and leaf did. He knows what birds and animals and insects went by or through this tree. Nobody can give you this information except Allah. Allahu Akbar. He is great. We are nothing. Allah knows where each leaf blew away, is aware of every crushed piece of leaf and where each crushed piece went. And this is for every year that trees have existed. Imagine a leaf in 1934 in Morocco, or in 1956 in Japan, or a leaf in 1257 in France, or in 1659 in Brazil. Can any president, king, sultan, prime minister, or entity living today give you this information or wisdom? No, only Allah knows every detail. Say Subhan'Allah. Allah is showing us, letting us know of His complete and exquisite control over every single element in this universe, whether large or small. Moreover, Allah is showing you that no leaf can fall without His will, let alone His knowledge of it. Say Subhan'Allah. There is nothing in this world that happens without Allah empowering it by His will. Just as He's empowered the sun to rise from the east and set in the west, He is fully aware of everything that is occurring in His dominion. He's aware of every leaf cycle, from the moment it buds to it falling and being reabsorbed into the earth to strengthen the soil. Allah knows about every vein of every leaf, every cell of every leaf. Say Subhan'Allah. Say Allahu Akbar. Go deeper and realize from this verse that every person, every animal, every organism is known by Allah. Every single passing feeling of nostalgia, guilt, struggle, pain, happiness, sadness, every fleeting thought, every breath, every single thing, He knows it. He knows where our secrets and emotions are hidden and kept buried. We can bury them in a place from our friends and families so they can't see, but there is nothing that Allah cannot see or hear. In closing, look under the trees. Look at the dirt and the seeds. The roots of the plants and trees aid in absorbing nutrients and water for it to live, to survive. You can cut the leaves off, but it won't harm the tree because of axons. Axons are hormones produced in trees and plants that tell them where to put most of their energy into, such as regrowing a limb, growing leaves, or repairing damaged bark. Say Subhan'Allah. Allah is not only aware, but the creator of it all. As advanced as humans get, they can never produce anything of the likes. Fall in prostration to Allah. He is great. Allahu Akbar.